If you searched how to buy shares of AFC Gamma Inc., this video walks through the basic steps. AFC Gamma Inc., ticker AFCG, is listed on NASDAQ, and this guide is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you'll need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AFCG to find AFC Gamma Inc. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have located the correct stock. On the asset page, you'll see a short company description and a live price chart. Double-check the listing shows AFC Gamma Inc. and the ticker AFCG to confirm it's the right share. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order. And if you lack funds, eToro will prompt you to deposit before completing the transaction. After the trade executes, your AFCG position will appear in the Portfolio or Holdings tab. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same steps.